Hello all, welcome to JustQuant. In this video, we'll try to understand what we mean by the least common multiple, and also we'll have a look at the techniques used to calculate the least common multiple. So what do we mean by LCM or the least common multiple? Let's consider two numbers, say 24 and 36. Here, the multiples of 24 are 24, 48, 72 and so on, and the multiples of 36 are 36, 72, 108 and so on. And among these multiples, there are certain numbers such as 72, 144, which are common multiples to both 24 and 36. And among these common multiples, 72 is the least common multiple to both 24 and 36. Hence, the least common multiple or the LCM of 24 and 36 is 72, right? Hence we have the LCM of two or more numbers is the least common multiple of those numbers. Okay, so now what techniques do we have to calculate LCM? In this video, we'll have a look at two techniques. One is the prime factorization method and then the division method. In order to understand these techniques, let's consider three numbers, say 20, 30 and 45. Now let's apply the prime factorization method on these three numbers 20, 30 and 45 to calculate their LCM. Okay, so in the prime factorization method, we express each of these numbers in terms of their prime factors. So 20 is written as 2 square into 5, and 30 in terms of its prime factors is written as 2 into 3 into 5, and then 45 is expressed as 3 square into 5, right? Okay. Now once we express each of these numbers in terms of the prime factors, their LCM is obtained by taking the product of the prime factors raised to their highest power. That is, the prime factors that we see here are 2, 3 and 5. Now the highest power of 2 is 2 square, highest power of 3 is 3 square, and the highest power of 5 is 1, right? So now taking the product of 2 square and 3 square and 5, we get the LCM of 20, 30 and 45, which is 180. Okay, let's now apply the division method to calculate the LCM of 20, 30 and 45. In the division method, we'll try to identify that prime number which will divide at least two of these three numbers. In this case, the prime number 5 divides all these three numbers. So dividing these numbers by 5, we get 20 by 5 4, 30 by 5 6 and 45 by 5 9. Okay, now among 4, 6 and 9, both 4 and 6 are divisible by the prime number 2. Hence dividing 4, 6 and 9 by 2, we get 2, 3 and since 9 is not divisible by 2, we write 9 as it is. Now among 2, 3 and 9, both 3 and 9 are divisible by 3. Hence dividing them by 3, we get 2, 1 and 3. Now we see that 2, 1 and 3 are not further divisible. So now in order to calculate the LCM, we take a product of all these numbers here. That is, we take product of 5, 2, 3, 2, 1 and 3. Okay, so which gives us 2 square into 3 square into 5, which is equal to 180. Hence, we have calculated the LCM of 20, 30 and 45 by division method to be 180, right? Okay, we'll end this video here. I hope this was helpful. In our next video, we'll solve some problems on LCM. Thanks for watching.